Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. We're gonna just apply that all over the lid and we're gonna blend it out. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my MAC single eyeshadow in the color Malt. And I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy brush. Okay, now we're going to go in with the lightest pink on this palette and we're just going to apply it all over the crease. And I'm just going to be using my Wet n Wild brush for that. For this look, I'm only going to use about 3 brushes. And now we're going to go in with a little bit deeper tone of a pink and we're going to apply that again all over the crease. And remember, you need to blend everything out. And now we're going to be using a Morphe brush. It's the R37 part of the Rose Gold collection. And this is a brush that I'm going to be using mostly to just blend out the color that I'm applying on the lid. So again, all we're doing is just adding more color to the crease just to deepen up the color a little bit, and we're just blending it out. So all we're doing now is just adding a darker color to the inner corner of the eye and the outer corner, because we're going to be applying glitter in the middle of the eye, so we just want to keep the color on the outsides of the eye. So now we're just adding a darker brown on the outer corner just to give it a little bit more definition. And again, the brushes that I'm using are pretty much just the e.l.f. crease brush, the Wet n Wild one, and the Morphe brush. And I'm just going back and forth with every color that I add to the eye. And guys, don't mind my boyfriend walking in the background. Okay guys, now for this step, we're going to be adding concealer to the center of the eye, and this is where we're going to add the glitter. So you could go ahead and use any concealer. For this, I'm going to be using the Shape Tape Concealer and the Morphe brush. It's a M410. So now we're going to be setting where we concealed, and I will be using the same single MAC eyeshadow in the color Mauve, and I'm just using a Real Techniques brush. You could use any brush for this, and we're just setting it so we could add the glitter next. Okay guys, so now the fun step, we're going to be adding glitter, and I will be using the Stila Rose Gold Retro. So it's okay if this gets a little messy because we're going to be adding more color next, and we're going to be blending that out, so it's fine if it gets a little messy. Okay guys, so now we're going to be bronzing up the face. I'm using the Too Faced bronzer in the color Deep Tan. You guys, if you guys haven't tried this bronzer, you should. It's really good. You guys, so now we're going to be applying my favorite blush ever. It's the NARS blush in the color Orgasm. Okay, so now we're going to be adding the highlight, guys. You guys really need to try these Maybelline Master. The chrome one and the holographic ones are so good, guys. They're so pigmented and give you a really good highlight. And as you guys could see, I went ahead and I added a lip stain. It's a cream lip stain from Sephora, and it is in the number 38. Okay guys, so I went ahead and added some glitter. I wanted to be a little extra and just add some glitter in the center of the lips. So I'm just applying the same glitter that I applied on my lids, and I'm just putting it on my lips, and then I'm gonna just blend it out. Okay guys, so now my favorite step is setting the face. This feels so refreshing when you're just done with your makeup and you just apply this all over your face. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, my Valentine's Day makeup look. If you guys haven't entered my giveaway, I will be entering the instructions in the description box, so go ahead and read that if you still want to enter. You still have about 2 weeks left, and I will be giving out a Footlocker gift card and an Ulta, so if you want to enter you still can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.